Welcome everyone to Spice and Easy Kitchen channel. Today I will share a mixed glaze dessert. We will need 1 liter of fresh cream and 2 cups of sugar. If your fresh cream is unsweetened, use 3 cups of sugar. We will also need Ladyfinger biscuits like these. We need about 200 grams of strawberries. The strawberries are already blended with sugar. We also need eggs, cocoa powder, salt, and flavorings. We will now move on to the preparation steps. First, we cook the strawberry mixture slightly. We let it boil briefly, then remove it from heat. Add strawberry flavoring and let it cool completely. Set the strawberry mixture aside to cool. If using fresh strawberries, blend them with sugar. Prepare 3 separate bowls. 1 bowl for whipped cream, 1 for egg yolks, and 1 for egg whites. Separate the egg whites from the yolks carefully. Add a pinch of salt to the egg yolks. Add a pinch of salt to the egg whites as well. Add 1 cup of sugar to the egg yolks. Add 1 cup of sugar to the egg whites and beat both mixtures. Whip until creamy and well combined with a pleasant texture. This is the texture of the whipped cream. This is the texture of the whipped egg whites. This is the creamy texture of the egg yolks. Now we continue with the preparation. In a large bowl, add some whipped cream. Add a portion of the egg whites. Add a portion of the egg yolks. Gently mix from bottom to top. Repeat the process until the mixture is smooth. Add more whipped cream. Add more egg whites. Add more egg yolks. Mix gently from bottom to top again. Continue until all the mixture is combined. Divide the mixture into 3 bowls. Add the prepared strawberry mixture to the first bowl. Mix until fully combined. Add cocoa powder to the second bowl. Add vanilla flavoring to the third bowl. Mix each flavor separately and gently. Be careful not to deflate the cream. If strawberries are unavailable, use lemon zest instead. Use lemon zest and flavoring as an alternative. This gives a fresh flavor. This is the chocolate mixture texture. This one is flavored with chocolate. The vanilla mixture can be enhanced with chopped nuts. This is the strawberry mixture texture. Prepare a plastic container and line it with plastic wrap. Press the wrap well to avoid uneven surfaces. Arrange the ladyfingers with the sugar side facing outward. Cut them to fit the container evenly. Continue arranging until the base is covered. Cut and adjust until the container is filled. Now the biscuits are well arranged. Add the strawberry glaze layer on top. Spread the mixture evenly over the surface. Place it in the freezer for 30 minutes. The first layer is now firm. Add small chopped strawberries if desired. This step is optional. Add the vanilla layer and freeze again for 30 minutes. Once set, remove it again. Add the chocolate glaze layer and freeze for 8 hours. You can prepare it at night and serve it the next day. This is the final look of the glazed dessert. Decorate it with whipped cream and fruit pieces. You can also use chocolate chips. Each layer must be frozen before adding the next one. Freeze the final layer for at least 6 hours. Freezing overnight gives the best result. Flip the dessert so the bottom becomes the top. Decorate and serve as shown. This is the final result. Do not forget to subscribe and activate notifications. You can also use half the ingredient quantities. This recipe makes a large quantity. The remaining mixture can be molded differently. This dessert yields a generous amount. I hope you enjoy this recipe.